Hey, this is David. Today we're going to replace the surface element on an electric GE range. The surface element provides heat directly to the cooking utensils placed on top of it. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Surprise, surprise! Today we don't need any tools. With that said, please remember that safety comes first. Always remember to disconnect your electric range by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. First, we need to make sure the switch to the element we're replacing is turned off. Then we can gently pull the element out and take a look at the element terminals. If they're burned or pitted, then you're going to need to replace them and the receptacle since it's also burned. If you don't replace both, then you're going to end up having to replace the element again since the receptacle will ruin the new part. Here's the old surface element and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We need to make sure the two terminals are good and straight before we insert the element into the receptacle. Don't forget to plug your electric range back in or turn the breaker back on. You made it! Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new surface element yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're here, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and, of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.